A regular wrench makes a knife sharp again. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Imagine you are cutting a fresh lemon, placing it on the cutting board, and as soon as you put the knife down, the sluggish feeling makes you have to use a lot of force. The cut is not smooth but torn. You have to pull and pull several times to separate the lemon. Sound familiar? This is a problem that many people face. Dull knives make cooking frustrating and time-consuming. But don't worry. Today I'm going to share a super unique tip: sharpening knives with a ring wrench. It may sound strange, but the results will surprise you. With just this seemingly unrelated tool, you will get your knife blade back as sharp as new, making slicing, cutting, and preparing meat, fish, and vegetables easy and quick. In this video, I will guide you step by step, along with tips to not only sharpen your knife effectively, but also maintain it for a long time. You'll find that a sharp knife not only makes cooking easier, but also makes the kitchen more fun, creative, and exciting. Stay tuned, because in a few minutes, you'll learn how to turn a seemingly ordinary wrench into a secret weapon to save dull knives in your kitchen. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare toothpaste and an old toothbrush. The first important step is to apply toothpaste to the knife. Take a sufficient amount of cream on the head of an old toothbrush. About 2 to 3 centimeters is enough to cover both sides of the blade. Once the cream is squeezed out, you will see a fine green foam sitting on the bristles, ready to be scrubbed onto your knife. Hold the knife firmly. Use the brush to rub from the back of the knife down to the blade, in a horizontal line parallel to the blade. Rub several times to coat the cream evenly. At this point, the knife will look like it is covered with a layer of protective white coat. Sharpen the knife with a ring wrench. Holding the frosted knife, place the open end of the wrench against the blade. The blade should be slightly angled away from the wrench for better friction. If you find the cream starting to dry, just spray on a little more water for smoother application. During sharpening, change the direction of the knife. Sometimes push forward, sometimes pull back. This allows the blade to come into contact with the wrench at various angles, grinding the entire surface evenly. In addition to grinding the wrench head, you can also use the entire wrench body to grind. The wrench body is made of hard, flat metal, so rubbing the knife on it also creates a good sharpening effect, especially with long blades. After a few sharpenings, wipe the cream off the knife with a paper towel. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Brighten the knife surface. After a period of use, in addition to fading, the knife surface often has grease, rust stains, or dull spots. I will use 2 familiar ingredients in the kitchen: baking soda and vinegar. Prepare a plastic tray or glass plate large enough to hold the knife. Place the knife and wrench on the plate. Sprinkle some baking soda evenly over the blade and the wrench body. Immediately, white powder particles adhere to the metal. Next, pour vinegar so that the solution completely covers the knife and wrench. When vinegar meets baking soda, a chemical reaction occurs, creating continuous foaming. For a more thorough cleaning, use an old toothbrush to gently scrub both sides of the blade, getting deep into the small crevices. Take this opportunity to polish the wrench as well to give it a shine. When finished, rinse the knife and wrench with water, completely removing any remaining vinegar smell and foam. Finally, use a soft cloth to dry. At this time, the blade is shiny like a mirror, looking like a new knife. Check the results. Back to the lemon from before, this time when the knife is placed on the peel. The blade cuts right into the lemon segment, creating a smooth cut. The lemon peel separates neatly, the lemon juice flows out clear and beautiful. Just one slash of the knife and the lemon is cut, no need to pull it back and forth like before. I tried cutting a cucumber. As soon as I put the knife down, the blade glided smoothly as if there was no resistance. Each slice of cucumber was thin, even and smooth as if it had been cut by a machine. The cutting felt very satisfying. Just one stroke and the cucumber slice came off neatly. With a wrench and a few simple ingredients like toothpaste, baking soda, and vinegar, you can turn a dull knife into a sharp, shiny knife like new. This is a small, easy trick, but extremely useful in everyday life. If you find the video interesting, try it at home. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to have more motivation to share more interesting DIY tips.